Genexi, the generation next in biotechnology, after setting enviable milestones in last 2 decades, firmly believes that continuous innovations motivate each generation, going further than the generation preceding. A strong initiative by our Prime Minister of Make in India campaign supports Genexi's stance in being one of the few biotech companies who started its manufacturing way back in 2001 to hold itself distinctly as a steadfast company. Genexi very strongly believes in its capabilities of producing world-class quality at very competitive pricing. Genexi as a corporate is committed to highest quality standards supported by best of the quality assurance and quality controls. With a vast team of 30 people in production, 35 people in back office support, 45 people in marketing. Genexi broaches new technologies and better support equipped with the assets and knowledge it has earned till date. With over 15 years of plastic injection molding experience, Genexi has grown to be recognized as a global leader in manufacture of vastly used pipette tips, petri dishes, microcentrifuge tubes, screw cap tubes, test tubes, and custom plastic injection molding. Partnering with OEMs worldwide, we can design and mold custom plastic parts and assemblies that enhance end products. Engineering success. To achieve success, all 4 of these stages must work together. Part design and material selection. We keep on upgrading our part designs to meet the ever-growing market challenges by understanding the product application, intended market and end users' objectives. All products are manufactured from the finest raw materials using precise production techniques that provide consistent quality performance. All primary products are made from virgin polymers and contain no recycled, reprocessed or altered plastics that might introduce contamination or defects. Tool design and mold building. Designed for mold efficiency, longevity and performance. Building quality parts begin with building quality molds. Tooling is designed and built by craftsmen using CAD/CAM and the latest in CNC and EDM equipment. Our engineers are available to participate in the development of the design of custom parts before the tool making process begins. By incorporating this approach into our plastic manufacturing concepts, it allows for fewer design modifications, reduced design time, and higher quality finished products within our plastic manufacturing facility. Quality systems and metrology. The plastic ware industry possesses unique and difficult challenges on a daily basis. Genexi focuses on various internationally renowned tests such as steel ball test, etc. to make our products with unquestionable quality. The sole motto behind these stringent quality tests is to provide best quality plastic wares at an affordable price. Our manufacturing facility is ISO 9001 compliant and we have applied for ISO 13485. Our products are non-pyrogenic and certified RNAS, DNAS free. Automation systems in the injection molding process and downstream, making it simple and lean. Genexi considers robotics and automation in plastic injection molding one of the 4 keys to success for engineering out cost. Engineering in quality and optimal performance for plastic injection molded parts with extensive use of automation including 3-axis, 6-axis and high-speed side entry robots. Genexi is committed to increasing the speed and reliability of our plastic injection molding operations.